Hello everyone, how are you doing? I'm Sarah and today I'm here to talk about something that can truly transform your daily life, especially if you're dealing with oral health problems like gum disease or bad breath. I also have two very important warnings to share, so stick with me until the end of the video because this could make a huge difference for your health. Deal. The first warning is be careful where you buy it. The product I'm about to talk about is only sold on the official website to ensure its authenticity and your safety. I'll leave the official link in the description to make it easy for you. Avoid buying from marketplaces or suspicious ads. We all know that when a product is good, lots of imitations appear. Don't fall for it. Now let me tell you something, there's one detail about this product that no one talks about, and it could be a game changer for you. So don't leave before hearing everything, okay? But what is this amazing product I'm talking about? DentaSmile Pro. It was developed to help you achieve healthier gums and teeth while promoting fresh breath. And the best part? It combines advanced technology with a unique blend of natural ingredients, such as berberine, known for its antioxidant properties. It supports gum health. Inulin helps maintain a healthy balance of bacteria, promoting stronger gums. Cinnamon contributes to a healthy oral environment, effectively combating bad breath. Chromium helps regulate blood sugar levels, essential for good oral health. These ingredients work together to provide gum health support, reduces the risk of gum disease and other oral issues. Fresh breath effectively eliminates bad breath and promotes a healthy mouth. Complete oral health balances oral bacteria, leading to healthier teeth and gums. I've tried it myself and noticed a difference within the first few days. And I'm not the only one. Many people have reported significant improvements like less plaque buildup, healthier gums, and fresher breath. Now, attention! DentaSmile Pro isn't magic, it's a real solution, but it requires consistent use to deliver the best results. Use it every day and see the difference. And if you're hesitant to invest, here's some good news. They offer a 60-day money-back guarantee. That's right, if you're not satisfied, you can ask for your money back. No strings attached. If you want to improve your oral health, take care of your gums and boost your quality of life, don't wait. Click the link in the description. Visit the official website and take advantage of the special promotions happening right now. But hurry, stocks are limited and sell out quickly. I hope this tip was helpful for you. If you know someone dealing with oral health problems, share this video with them. And don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more tips like this. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.